What is up, YouTube? It's your boy, The Real Chris J, and I'm back with another banger video. Y'all already know how we coming, man. If you read the title, then you already know what this video is basically about. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna talk too much, because y'all know if I start talking, I ain't gonna never shut up. So let me go ahead and just get into what we finna do, man. Y'all see what I got right here in the back. I can't even believe they let me have this. A country boy like me with something like this. This is like a toy to a 4-year-old. I have a 4-year-old, so I know what a toy to a 4-year-old is like. But you know what I'm saying, bro? They really gave the boy the toy. I'm saying we had to go pick it up. They didn't even wash it or nothing. I guess they don't mind about all that. They ain't put no gas in it for a brother or nothing. So I'm thinking that you have to bring it back with gas in it, but this one don't even have gas in it. But I'm gonna go ahead and head to the gas station and fill this thing up, and then I gotta put gas in that big baby, because that baby right there drink gas too, you know what I'm saying? And right now gas prices are almost damn near at $5. Excuse my friend. We finna see how much can we get done to the property. Like I said in the last video, we are doing spring cleaning, making the premises bigger, because we finna bring in a lot of toys. And I might build a pond. But I'm finna go ahead and clean up all this stuff that I've been planting. Man, that sound good. Yeah, like I said, that's pretty much what this video is about today. I hope you guys enjoy it. Appreciate you guys for being a subscriber. Let's go. So we made it to the gas station. I'm not even gonna lie, I'm curious to know how much this thing is gonna even take to fill up, especially with diesel being, well, diesel is $5 a gallon, $4.99. But I just wanna know. Gotta put that phone number in, because you might save a little something on gas, you never know. But once you put that number in, you should be good to go. Ooh, 3 cents. I got 3 cents off. Yeah. So I don't know if y'all can see that, but it started to pump. Diesel pump so slow, and I'm already on $8, $10 got me 2 gallons of gas, which on this shit for fun. Oh, there's no way it only took $25 to fill this thing up. Yeah, so it took $34.71, and it was damn near empty, if I remember right. I don't know if I can see that. We got it filled up. We finna get it back to the country. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Make sure I got my card. Oh, I don't see my card. Okay, I got it. But one thing about being a YouTuber, people are going to stare. Like while you putting diesel into a skid steer and you're holding a camera with a fuzzy thing on top of it, people are going to stare. I'm finna get this thing back to the country, and then I gotta stop at the service station and put gas into the truck. Oh, gotta drop that baby in low. Squad body scat over there look good, yes sir. It's a little chilly today too. A little cold out. I didn't expect it to be that cold. But yeah, like I said, I'm finna go put gas in the truck, and I'll pick you guys back up when we get to the house. Deuce. So we made it back to the house. I have to unchain it, plus I gotta let the ramps down in the back. Y'all give me a minute, and well, maybe I can set y'all up and do this. So I got it stuck, and it's coming from not clearing back here. This thing been stuck all day.
Literally, all day. Like, I didn't think it would be...
I've been like in there. But like I said, y'all already know, we had this thing stuck about 4 hours, and I was out here by myself. Y'all saw that in the previous video. So we finally got unstuck, and we still got some sunlight left, and we still got to have a tank of gas.
Okay. Alright.
not running smooth. Go ahead to the water hose.
So
I wonder if I can get it.
probably. So what are you doing, Mr. Harris?
Trying to wash all this mud out with a not enough pressure or water.
Just look like it's making it putty.
Bro, I feel in love with this thing. As y'all can see, it's nighttime. It's cold out here. And plus, see the car right there. I want to know if this thing can pick it up. We might turn it over on this side, flip it, whatever we're going to do with it.
Oh, wow. It did
Okay.
move.
So now that I know this to move it, I definitely got to get this out my front. So it's going to tear the yard up all the way back.
Unless you come from the side and lift it from the side, think that'll work?
I don't think the thing long enough. If it had like pitchforks on it, it'd probably do it.
Well, you might not be moving it today. It might just be tearing it up today for tonight. Get out front.
So we got the skid steer, took it back. We only rented it for a day, and we woke up pretty late. We had to have it back by 10:30. We went ahead and took it back. I didn't get to get any footage of me loading it up or anything like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You know what I'm saying? More vlogs to come. We did get the new pool area leveled out, and then we got an area knocked down. What I'm thinking about putting a new garage that's coming this summer for all the toys in. We got the garbage, all that pushed back. That was one of the main reasons why I rented the thing, to get that taken care of, because there's a lot of improvements coming to the yard. We got downside the driveway so I can widen that out. We got rocks and stuff coming in, and then over at the man cave where I moved that car, stuff done over there so it looks good by the man cave. But like I said, man, I can't wait till this summer. I gotta get a bunch of grass seeds to put down. I gotta get my yard looking better, man. With that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog, and we got more to come. And other than that, I'm tired, man. I didn't even put any hard work in. I let the machine do all the work, but I'm still sore. I don't even know how that happened. If you're new to the channel, I'm The Real Chris J. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, and make sure you thumbs up this video. We've been doing good so far, like the first month of this channel. We only going up, you know what I'm saying? We got more stuff coming to the channel, and I can't thank you guys enough, and peace.